Hi everyone, I'm Suyog from Online Health Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to clear lenses on Snapchat. Clearing lenses help free up storage and reset your lens options for a smoother app experience. So let's get started on how to clear lenses on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings option at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and find the clear data option. Once you find it, tap on it. In the clear data menu, you will find the clear lens option. Tap on it. Now tap on either clear local lens data option or tap on the clear all lenses option. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to clear Snapchat lens data. Simply tap on the clear option and confirm your choice. And this is how you can clear lenses on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.